Orere mbura ya MUIYURO ya EL-NINO itanyetwo kwambia guthandana ihinda-ini ria ciumia 2 ciukite, ndumiriri cia wihuge ni ithiete na mbere na kurekererio. Ruhonge rwa Mutharaba Rutune rwa Red Cross ni ruikitie ihoya kuri ikundi cia wendi mwega nicio donor communities kwambiriria kuheana uteithio uria ungiteithiriria gwitiria mogwati ma MUIYURO. Ni uteithio uria uhoetwo riri thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini na kamiti ya guthaitira mogwati guku bururi-ini ikoretwo ikinyitanira na thirikari cia matura o undu umwe na ruhonge rwa Red Cross gutigirira muingi nduri ugwati-ini wa kuhofanirio ni MUIYURO wa MAAI ma MBURA.
Tunajua kuwa hii itasaidia pakubwa kuweza kusafisha mitaro na hata mitaa yetu kuondoa taka na kuwezesha maji ya mvua kupita.
Tunapoangalia mitaa yetu pia tunaona there's a lot of flooding. Na hizo flooding pia zinakuja na magonjwa na zinakuja na a lot of things that are affecting the community.
Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa ruhonge rwa Mutharaba MUTUNE Ahmed Idris, maafitha a kaunti ya Mombasa ni mateithĩrĩirie hari guthũrima mitaro, njira cia maĩ, undu umwe na makinya mangi ma kugirĩrĩria hathara ya MUIYURO, undu uria ugutigirira muingi wa kaunti ino nduri ugwati-ini.
Lazima tukue proactive this time because last time a bit we were taken by surprise, but this time round amehakikisha kuwa we are on the ground doing this job and reporting almost on a daily basis on progress.
When it rained last time, children could not go either side because we have schools on this side, we have schools on the other side. So if we don't finish that before then we are saying that children will not go to school for 3 months.
Kuringana na minister wa migunda kaunti-ini ya Mombasa Mohamed Hussein ni arutete mukana kuri muingi wa guku iguru rigie gwaka iguru ria mitaro ya maĩ kana njira cia maĩ ma mbura undu uria ungicungiriria ugwati.
Wakati uliopita hapa kwa kumejaa sana kwa sababu kuna mto. So tumeweza kuassess na maengineer wakatoa wasia wao wakasema lazima hizi ziweze kuwa expanded
following the assessments from the previous rains and that is what we are looking at right now, more advanced bigger drainage systems, clearing of the sewerage systems.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangari wa Kamau.